Hello there guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be something different. So I want to start doing these type of videos where I'm just speaking to the camera, mainly because I feel like when I'm going over the charts and stuff like you see in previous videos, it's not always as, one-to-one, personal, etc. So I can't sometimes get the message across as well as I'd like to. Today I'm going to be breaking down why it can be detrimental to your own trading when it comes to following too many people within the market. YouTubers, you could say that I'm one of them, and just obviously the negative sides to it, because a lot of people out there are watching a lot of different people, and fair enough, some of it might be for entertainment, but if you are taking bits of strategies from here, from here, it's going to actually be detrimental to your own trading, because when you piece them together, they may not work. You've got to think that a trading strategy is sometimes like an algorithm, and if you change code within that algorithm, that algo could then not work. And that's basically like what it's like when it comes to taking trading strategies from multiple people. When I first started trading, I was in a position where, luckily for me, I did only follow a couple of people, but even the people that I followed traded so differently that when it came to my actual trading, I wasn't making money and I wasn't seeing profitable trades. So, what I would say is that for anyone watching this who follows 10, 20 different people on YouTube and you are trying to actively learn from them, so don't worry about the entertainment side of it. If you're doing it because you want to be entertained and you just want to watch someone grow a small account, flip an account, or buy a new car, by all means, that's not going to affect anything. But when it comes to actually learning, taking things from every single person is usually not going to be the way to do it from my experience. What I would say is that if you are in a position where you are starting to learn, I would only stick to maybe one person, try that way of trading that they do, see if it works for you, and if it doesn't, probably move somewhere else. Now, it's a bit of an annoying situation for people who are new, because again, the first five people you try learn from, these gurus, you might not learn from them. So the people, who are constantly abroad, they don't really trade, they're just traveling and then making money from that. Trying to learn from someone like that is going to be difficult, because obviously their interest isn't in the trading itself, if that makes sense. I've always, from my personal experience within the market and actually knowing people who are profitable, the people that make the most money trading aren't the ones that are raving about it and showing it and splashing the money, because that's all just marketing at the end of the day, and most people watching this video will understand that. So I would probably say, from a standpoint of learning, be careful how many people you are following and taking information from. There will be a set of rules which match up to a strategy, and changing rules within that strategy can take the edge out of it. So please bear that in mind when it comes to listening to multiple people and gurus, whatever you want to call them, within the market. Yes, I do have curriculum which teaches people the way I trade, but I'm not in your face about it. I couldn't care less if you buy it or you don't. It's just there for people who do obviously want to learn. So that's how I'd probably end this little discussion. As mentioned, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos where it is kind of like I'm speaking to the camera, because I do think they will be beneficial. If there is any topics that you do want to kind of hear about, I would probably say to drop a comment and just let me know, because I've made a long list this morning of videos that I am going to do, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, the takeaway from this video, guys, if you are trying to learn from 5 different people or 5 different sources, just lower that number. Try stick to 1, 2 at max. If it doesn't work for you, fair enough, change it. But don't be trying to learn 5 different things at the same time, because you are going to be getting 5 different bits of information that, when you piece them together, probably are not going to work. So I'm hopeful, guys, that this video has helped at least one of you. As mentioned, any ideas for future stuff, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video on them.